Hey guys, Steven here with Slightly Outnumbered, bringing you another Slightly Outnumbered video. Today's a super exciting day because we're getting our brand new Tuff shed installed in the backyard. If you saw not our last video, but the video before that, we had the gravel being laid in our backyard. We got that all done and ready for the Tuff shed. And now we get to see it installed. We have a full time lapse of the install process and a full walkthrough at the end of the video, so be sure you stay till the end to check that out. And there will be one more video in this kind of Tuff shed backyard install series on our channel where we show the full progress from the very beginning, what our backyard looked like before the shed was there, and then now how it looks with the shed being installed. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Tuff shed guys just rolled up. Put this bad boy in. Here we go. All right, shed just got installed.
Let's see the shed.
Carlos said it's gonna be his office and he's gonna have cameras and he's only gonna let Papa as a pizza man.
and see, and I'm gonna grab my pizza in, and then, and I'm gonna
Oh,
go
sorry.
and say goodbye.
Wow.
And say goodbye.
You guys want to move in here? Look, this is Carlo bed, Caesar bed, Macro bed.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Where's this is my bed.
Huh?
Do you
On the
see
bottom.
where's all our tools
Yeah.
gonna be?
We're gonna put the toolbox. We're gonna put all the stuff from the garage right here, from the garage. You guys call it the garage.
Yeah.
And you got some light coming through. Hopefully it doesn't get rainy in here, but we'll have to. Once it rains, we'll have to see how well it keeps the water out. It's got a window.
Oh, careful, this thing's gonna.
Aw, Mommy, come in.
I just saw this door is slamming, just swaying back and forth.
I'll have to put one of those little drop things to like lock it in place.
I'm gonna sleep. Watch it.
All right, guys. See you never. Just kidding.
No, let's see if it actually works.
It does. Watch out. Watch out. Back your feet up. Works?
Come in.
I will.
Daddy, come in.
The boys said they wanna move in here.
Of course they do.
This is right here. Beansy thinks this is her doghouse.
See, you can put insulation here. That's why they put this wrap.
Yeah.
So we could if I want, I could put drywall and finish it all in. So it's like I don't know if there's a need for that, but pretty cool, pretty cool. What do you think, y'all? It's pretty crazy, huh?
When they're ready to move in. See, he's already gonna play.
Well, the shed is done.
Dad, he's gonna be up here.
Yeah, if Macker got up there, you can get up there. Carla, you're an epic climber. Go, get up there. Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump.
I can't.
Jump, and I'll lift you at the same time. 1, 2, 3, jump. Jump.
Yeah.
All right, shed's finally done. This was a long project coming, about 6 or 8 weeks, just getting the dirt ready, getting the ground ready, getting everything ready, and it's finally here.
Check it out.
Thank you guys for watching and checking out our video on our Tuff shed install. If you have questions, comments, or you just like this kind of video, please be sure to drop a comment below or subscribe to our channel. We have one more video coming out that's related to this shed install. It's going to be the full progress from the very start of what our backyard looked like before we installed the shed to what it looks like now with the shed installed. Again, don't forget, life is always an adventure when you're slightly outnumbered. Catch you guys on the next one.